Hi everyone, welcome back. So as I discussed with you in the last video also that there's so many people has not been subscribed to our channel. If this kind of a motivation we get, so we're going to stop our videos to upload you people. If you really think that you need to have information and regarding your application, all those things, please I request you all to like and subscribe to our channel. So and give the comments also what kind of problems you have been facing while in the videos. So I request you please like and subscribe to our channel. So today in this video we will going to see the AdMob's spin bubble game. So we will going to build the spin bubble game. It is in an Android Studio is there completely. So what we will going to do, we will going to launch in the Android Studio. So this is a game. It has a two versions, whether you want for a Unity one or you want in an Android one. So I'm going to build in the Android only. So first thing I want to keep the name for this app, so I will help the chat gtp with that, and we're going to take it out some good names for the app. So chat gtp, give me the good name for the spin bubble game for play store. Give me the five five good name. Okay, so we got, I'm going to use tin bubble shooter mania. This is a, I look, it's look good. So this name I will going to do. So I have been imported my code, so let's test how is the code is working. Let me play in the emulator. So it's take quite time to open the emulator, so it's been opening. While it's been opening, we will going to build our logo also in this. For logo we will going to use this website. mm, Generate the image. So it's asking for the model, so we will going to keep as the randomly I'm going to generate. If we need build the logo for the game. Let's see how it is going to generate. While the image generated, let's go in our Android Studio. Let's see whether it's been installing now. So I think it's not been activated right now. Okay, as you can see there is a game is working now fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to stop it here, and first we will going to add our name. Go in the res and go in the value and go in the string, and we will going to write our name here. You can see your game name, and if you need this code you can find in the link in the description below. It is cost you $10 for the bundle of 7 games. You will get a bundle of 7 games. So if you need this game, if you need these codes for a $10, there is a 7 games are there. You can find it is a completely Android and Unity ads are there in the sorry, AdMob and Unity ads are there. If you need later, you can find in the link in the description below. You can buy from there, and you have a all type of a payment gateways. Please let me know if you have any problem with that. And you can write your game name, and there is a ad section. You want to enable your banner ads, so you can able to replace your banner ad and install ad. And you can add your private policy link. So we're going to build the private policy on the before that, this looks good. For the logo, so I will going to save this in the code only. Spin bubble here, I will going to write like a logo. Okay, the logo has been saved, and I will take a notepad and I will write the names also of the games, the information, so we should not be forgetted this. Okay, I have written the name also here. Okay, so we need to make our private policy also. Okay, if you want to generate the private policy, you can find the links in my previous videos also, so you can go and see over there, app or policy generator here, and you need to write your app name. This is app name, and I will try to keep in India. I will keep like anything, like I will keep it this time as a Gujarat, and I will keep it like an email ID as the default. For the time being, I will save this mail ID also. In the future, we will going to be, while publishing, it will going to be useful to us. Then generate the private policy link. Okay, the link has been generated. Just copy here link, and I'm saving for my safer side. Okay, so here it says to add your private policy link, so I will going to paste here my private policy, and it's asking for your email ID also, so people can able to contact you. So I haven't copied the mail ID also here. Okay, and if you want try this is a new game, this is a all default things, you no need to be change anything. Okay, so okay, so now we need to change our logo also here. So right click and image, they go in the new and image in the assets, and from here just click over here, and we need to find our path, so I will just copy and paste my path. Okay, so and you can find the documentation also here. If you are feeling anything uncomfortable with the documentation, you can find in the video also, and you will going to get a documentation file also here, so there is no need to be worried with that. Just find next and finish. But sometime the all images won't be a sync. Just try to sync out your project. Let me sync my project here. Okay, I'm making a video quite fast forward, so you can pause and see the steps, each and every step. So I've been syncing. So let's see whether our game name has been changed or not, the logo has been changed. So apps has been installed successfully, so it should be launched by here. The true bubble, so some logos has not been changed, so for that we need to replace with the manual way. So what I will going to see, we will going to see there is a name. Here you can see there is a logo, but the thing is the logo has not been changed, so we need to change our logo by manual way. So for that you need to just go in the drive section and go open and open in the explorer, and here we will, what we're going to do, we're going to large it, and let's see, these are the things are there, so we need to replace the images over here. Let me check how the images look. Loading its place. Wait, we no need to change this, and network not found, no need to change this, this is also fine. And you can see about us logo we need to change here. Just go in the Photoshop. So what I'm going to do right now in the I will going to go in the Photoshop, and I will try to replace the images manually way. You can use any software for the replacing the images, because I no need to do the rename to the all the names. So what I will do on that only, I will going to map the logo with that, so it will be very easy for me. You can use any kind of a software, but make sure the word spellings are very same, need to be deployed in that. You can't able to change the spellings again, it will be a very big problem for you if you are trying to change all those things. So now I need to replace with the logo. So here is the logo of mine. I will try to make the all the code videos also. So I'm just mapping with the old image only, so it won't be a big problem. Okay, this image has been replaced, and we'll go with the other image also. Oops, sorry. You need to be patient for the first time. After you build, next time won't be a much problem with the for that, because I'm good with the Photoshop. So what I will try to do is I will use Photoshop only all the time, so it won't be a much problem to me. And if for me Photoshop is like a user friendly, here no need to change. Just check it out all the images where you find the old images there. Still you see here, you can find there is a old, still old images there. So here we need to change. And we'll go, and here also one is there icon. So this is a main big thing. You need to check step by step. So here you can see there is a still asking the images has not been changed. I know it's been quite bit time, but this has been made in the other softwares and they have been dumped into Android. So we need to bear it, and we have to do. And in this kind of things, you no need to be do more reskin in this. This is really a safer site for you. You can just rename all those names, and you can just publish your app in the Play console. I've been open in other software. If you want, you can skip these sections and you can check it out. Okay, so we I think we have been most probably we have been replaced all those things. Okay, now we will go in the code, and we will try to sync again. So here is our old game, so we have been updating now. Let's see whether our logo will be going to change or not. The name has been changed. Logo has been changed now. Fine, now it's looking pretty good. Okay, uh, quite good. So the app has been completely ready. Now we will going to do the building, and we will going to build the app with the signature. So just build with the signature. So we will going to build our abb file. So just create a key store, the path. I will going to use the same path of the game. So I will use here, so it will be very easy for me to remember, because every day I use so many apps and everything, so it will be quite confused for me. Bubble and password, you make sure you need to write same password in both columns here. And key, bubble, and password, and the password, and organization name. You can fill all those things, but I will write just organization. Just okay, try to remember here. Okay, just go next, and click on release, and just create it. So our build, the app has been building now here. Oh, I did one big mistake. I need to change this name. Still have been made some mistake that I did not make the main thing. That is, I did not change my package name. I need to change my package name. So wait for it to, our build has been generated, but I need to go and change our package name. So go in the file, and go in the project sector, and go in the model, and the default configure here is there. So what I will do, I will try to keep it as reset. Okay, my games are there. So what we're going to do, we will going to write our game name. Okay, so just apply and do okay. And you need to sync your file, so it has been syncing, but also make it again sync. So if some places it has been changed, so it will be, won't be much problem. As you can see, there is a reset, and the game name which we haven't created, it has been generated. Before building the application, just try to play it, and check it out whether it's game working or not. If it any error, so we can able to fix it that. Okay, so we got in two apps, so it will be working fine. Yeah, it's been pop up, it's working fine, so it's okay. So what we're going to do now, we anyhow we have been generated our key store, so no need to generate again. Just go in the next, and same password and ID is there, so just release and create it. Okay, so the our bundle has been built, so here is the release. I will going to copy our abb file, and I will paste it here for the my safer side to publish our application. So this is the app, and if you want to build the APK, I will going to show how to build the APK. Just go in the file, and go in the build, and generate there, and just click on a APK, and go on next, next, and create it. So it will going to generate you the APK also here. Let me open the release, and I'll going to open my emulator here. The game same thing, I'm going to open in the emulator. so it will be very easy. So I'm right now I'm closing all my files, so it won't be a burden on my PC till my emulator open. Even I will close my Android Studio also, there is no required anymore. Wait till it's loaded. So I'm going to close this also. So just save the policy link. So it's been okay. See, you can see there is a logo which how we built. Just it's been loading here. So just wait on a minute. Oh, my UI, I think. Okay. Okay, fine. It's working very good. So I hope you everybody like, and please subscribe to our channel. Please support us so we can able to make more videos. Thank you so much.